Hello everyone, this is Unique A here, etc. channel. I hope everybody's having a wonderful, happy day. Please subscribe to my channel if you will after watching this. I want to show you all the winter Christmas wreath that I already had. And what I done was I just used this sign, Love You More. I got it at Hobby Lobby, I think last year or the year before. And I put that on it. And I had these red berries, which there's a lot of red berries around here, particularly on holly bushes at this time. And I put some of these hearts, sparkly hearts. And these berries right here, added these berries. I already had those. And I already had the pine cones. Well, that one I added, that pine cone. And 2 more hearts. And I just thought this turned out real pretty. This way you can use what you already have and just revamp any wreath that you have for another holiday. It's so easy to do most of the times because a lot of the holidays, you know, uses the same colors mostly. I would like to have maybe a little bit of pink to go along with this too. Hopefully I can find some maybe pink and pinkish winter looking flowers to go along with this. It also match with the theme of Valentine's Day. Now it does have some fairy lights on it, but they're burned out, so I would like to get a new string of fairy lights to go with it, and maybe just put the fairy lights around the Valentine part. I thought that would look good. Well, this is on my front door, and I hope everybody has a blessed day, a blessed week. Thank y'all so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Those who haven't, give me a thumbs up and hit the bell. I sure would appreciate it. Thank y'all so much. Bye-bye.